Hey guys, Jay Yudlowski here, Focus Photography and Design, helping you focus on your photography. If you enjoy learning about photography, Photoshop, and Lightroom, please subscribe to my channel and be sure to check out some of my other videos. In this video, we're going to talk about how to create a panoramic image in Lightroom. So let's get into it. Here in Lightroom, it's super easy to stitch together several images and make a nice panoramic image. So here I've got 8 images that I took of the Hoover Dam. When I was out there recently, I didn't have a lens that was wide enough to capture the entire Hoover Dam. So I took several images and I'm going to stitch them together here in Lightroom. A couple things I'd like to do before I get started making the panorama. I want to select all my images by pressing Command or Control A. I'm going to jump over to the Develop module with the letter D. I want to make the white balance all the same. So I'm going to pick cloudy. It was a cloudy day. I also want to scroll down to Lens Corrections and click both of those on. And I also want to go down to Camera Calibration and select whatever you like here. Maybe Camera Landscape. In my case, I think I'm going to use Camera Standard. Then I'm going to jump back to the Library module by pressing letter G. Next, I'm going to merge all these images together. I'm going to select them all, go up to Photo, Photo Merge, and Panorama. Then Lightroom's going to do its thing to stitch them together and give us a nice little preview here so we can see what it looks like. Here we go, and Lightroom's finished the preview. I usually use the top option here. Sometimes you can pick on select auto crop and see what it gives you. If you don't like that, you can turn it off. You can use the boundary warp feature here. You can see as I drag that, it kind of stretches the edges of the picture out to fill up the voids around the picture. Now you can always go back and fill it in with Photoshop or some tools in Lightroom also if you'd like to do that. So I'm just going to pull out the boundary warp a little bit there. I'm going to hit merge, and Lightroom's going to merge all those images together. Once Lightroom finishes creating the panoramic image, it's going to put it right there in your collection for you. And you can see here it's labeled Pano at the top. Now the nice thing about stitching these all together in Lightroom here is that the final file is actually a DNG file. It's a raw file, so we have more data there in the file and a better ability to edit it as we wish. So I'm going to come over to the Develop module. I'm going to crop the image down a little bit. I'm just going to crop it in here instead of trying to fix some of the edges. For now, just crop it in. And then you can go through and make your basic adjustments that you might want to make. So as you can see, it's really easy here in Lightroom to stitch together a panoramic image. Thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel. I hope I helped you learn how to make a panoramic image in Lightroom and how we no longer have to go to Photoshop to do that. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.